Video blog check everybody, these are the Samsung Q60D QLED TV with quantum dot technology. Quantum dots are nanometer-sized semiconductors in one in tens of thousands of the thickness of our hair. These tiny dots produces different colors of light that gives a much more vibrant and accurate of colors in the Samsung Q60D QLED TV. The quantum dot technology brings a real QLED experience and a much better viewing experience. It can bring vibrant and amazing display of colors that can only be achieved through Samsung's quantum dot technology. You get to enjoy your favorite movies, TV series, and animated films in a higher brightness, vibrant colors, and better upscaling of videos into 4K video quality. The Samsung Q60D QLED TV here in my video are the 50 inches, 55 inches, and the 65 inches. Each Samsung Q60D QLED TV is running with these awesome soundbar speakers that give a cinematic audio quality. I tested all three Samsung TVs and my favorite here is the 65 inches QLED TV. I love it because of its Q Symphony technology on the TV and it brings a much more good audio quality using its high-tech soundbar. The audio and viewing is superb. It feels like I'm inside a high-end cinema. Each Samsung Q60D QLED TV is equipped with a free streaming service called the Samsung TV Plus. You can watch hundreds of content through different streaming channels for free. And the best part here is that the quantum dot technology of the Samsung QLED TV will help upscale those videos to bring a much more entertaining viewing experience. You want to own one? Then check these promo details. The Samsung Q60D QLED TV will go on sale with 38% off till March 31, 2025. It is an online sale exclusive offer only at samsung.com/ph. Log in there and get that discount plus with freebies including annual premium plan for Disney Plus and many more. As a TV buff like me, I need this Samsung Q60D QLED TV in my room. Thanks for watching and see you at the next Samsung video.